carrots and celery sa spaghetti? Why not? As usual, gisa tayo ng bawang at sibuyas. Then, sunod ang giniling. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce at tomato paste. Liver spread. At heto na ang carrots at celery. Mas gusto ko talaga ang Italian sauce para maasim-asim. At maraming pepper, pampasarap. At depende na sa inyo kung gusto nyong cubes na cheese or grated cheese, pwede naman. Adjust the taste with fish sauce and a pinch of sugar. Now, let's try our spaghetti with carrots and celery. Promise, ang sarap po nito. For sure, magugustuhan to ng mga anak nyo. Hindi nila mahalata na merong carrots at celery. Try it na!